Max Speeding Rod is hooking you guys up with a turbo. We're doing a giveaway. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Matt. Max Speeding Rod sent us a turbo to give away to one of you guys. And they sent over a GT35 turbo. Let's crack into this thing and see what you shall win. Comes with a fresh set of stainless gaskets as well as your oil and your drain gasket. And here is the turbo itself. And this is even nicer than the one I have on my car. And this is their standard GT35 turbo, in which they have their logo casted into the turbo. This thing is good for 600 horsepower. Man, she's a good looking little unit. And this is exactly what we have on the Cruise over here. However, I purchased this before they started casting their logo into the turbo, which I think is pretty cool. So we'll leave this in the plastic for now. Just know that the only difference that I'm really seeing is, you know, they got this cap with their logo on it, as well as their logo casted into the turbo itself. However, I'm going to toss up my original unboxing video of the GT35 turbo here. So if you're in need for turbo for your project, just drop a comment down below in this video or any future videos while the giveaway is going on. The giveaway is starting today, March 4th, and will end April 4th. And just comment GT35 down in the comments. Some of the rules are you have to be in the contiguous 48 states here in America, because I will be shipping this thing out myself to the winner. You can't be family. You can't be a friend. What else am I missing? But it's as simple as that. Chances are pretty good if you just comment GT35 down in the comments that you will win a turbo. We are a pretty small channel, so those chances are pretty high. And as always, be sure to check out their website, because they have given me a discount code to give to you guys, so that way you can save on your purchase. They have wastegates, they have blow-off valves, they have intercooler kits for certain years and models of cars. I, for one, am running their connecting rods, a blow-off valve, and a wastegate from Max Speeding Rod, so be sure to check that out, so that way you can get your project going, save a little money, and give their products a try. I think you'll like it. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. We've got more updates coming very soon on the 1.8 Cruise, just waiting on some machine work to be done to the flywheel, and the transmission will be going back in, and we'll get after ripping. Until next time, peace out. With you, peace out.